Apply silicone to the entire top edge of the vanity. With 2 people, place the natural stone top onto the vanity and set it into place. With a damp cloth, wipe off any excess silicone. Now we will attach the included backsplash. Apply silicone to the entire bottom edge and the back side of the backsplash. Place the natural stone backsplash onto the top and set firmly into place. With a damp cloth, wipe off any excess silicone. Leave the silicone to dry for 24 hours before installing the faucet, drain assembly, and water supply.